run for president? No, he's not a person, it's the public! What the f is wrong with you people?
What? I am going into work, my man. Why are you trying to pull me over as I'm going into work?
Because you're going 80 and a 45.
I am going into work.
Okay, where are you going to work?
What does it look like I'm dressed for?
So how much have you had to drink today as far as alcohol goes? Okay, I don't believe you, neither does he.
No.
Okay.
But can you get me home?
No.
Corrupt cop. Scolded by sergeant for harassing protester. Gets instant karma. First, let's address the case of the police officer's lack of understanding of the First Amendment. On December 6, 2018, Officer Christopher Dickey of Commerce City chased protesters off public property.
I didn't get the memo on it. No. I thought I would have gotten like a calendar invite or something. Would you mind lowering it for me? I don't want it used as a weapon against me, okay?
I'm not going to use it as a weapon.
Would you please lower it down for me? Here's the
Committing
thing.
crime?
Yes, you are.
Which crime specifically?
Trespassing.
Trespassing.
You have been asked to leave the property. Totally appreciate that.
That this is public property.
Actually, this is private property that you're on right now. It is.
Who owns it?
The Adams County government.
The Adams County government. Didn't he run for president? No, he's not a person, it's the public! What the f is wrong with you people?
Just keep an eye out all the way around, please. You've been asked to leave the property.
Yeah?
You are now committing trespassing, okay? That's all we're asking you to do, is to leave the property.
I need your card.
No, I will give it to you when we're done.
Before you take any
It's
official action.
it's Officer Dickey, right here.
That's what your thing
Badge
says.
number 2905. I'm removing you from private property because you were asked
not
to leave
private
this property. Yes.
This is a building open to the public.
Did you-
it is
sir?
open to the public right now.
Consent to this unlawful seizure!
No!
Gentlemen.
Not stopping there, this officer even chased after a protester and even intended to use a taser.
I need your ID, please, so I can write you a summons. I need your ID also, please, sir. Okay, I'm gonna place you under arrest then.
You're not placing me under arrest.
Come
You
here.
have no right to ask for any.
Come here. Taser. Go. He is under arrest.
The police officer was later criticized by his sergeant for his inappropriate actions.
He's under arrest.
For what?
For trespassing and for disorderly conduct.
On public property.
He's in front of the business yelling "F everybody," and he refused to give me his ID, which he's required to do.
For what?
So I could issue him a citation for trespassing.
It's not trespassing.
They kicked him out of the property.
According to the First Amendment, Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. Officer Christopher Dickey violated this legal provision, from one officer overstepping their authority to another getting caught in a legal mess. It seems misconduct knows no boundaries. On June 6, 2023, a Seminole County deputy pulled over Orlando police officer Alexander Shauni for speeding at 80 miles per hour in a 45-mile-per-hour zone without activating his lights or sirens.
Over 100 miles an hour trying to catch up with this butthead. He's the guy that, copy down that bumper.
This one or this one?
Yeah, 11070. You gonna pull over?
Please say a command.
Pull over.
You can say a device name like audio, CD, or radio.
3113 to 313.
As soon as Shawnee stepped out of the car, he immediately became confrontational, rudely refusing to hand over his driver's license to the deputy sheriff.
What? I am going into work, my man. Why are you trying to pull me over as I'm going into work?
Because you're going 80 and a 45.
I am going into work.
Okay, what are you going
What
to
does
work
it look
for?
like I am dressed for?
I have
What
no-
does it look like I am dressed for?
My name is Deputy Hilton. I need to see your driver's license.
No.
Okay. 3113, copy at 1050. Orlando PD taking off from a traffic stop. It's going to be X-ray Foxtrot 6207, XF 6207. You refuse to stop.
www.stmyra.
Shawnee was later relieved of duty and charged with resisting an officer and fleeing from law enforcement. Driving less than 30 miles per hour over the speed limit is a non-criminal traffic infraction. Driving 30 or more miles over the speed limit in Florida is a traffic misdemeanor. If you're caught driving 50 or more miles over the speed limit, you will be charged with a felony traffic violation. After the Seminole County deputy's encounter with Officer Shawnee, another police officer found himself in a similarly intense situation. On June 21st, Officer Page from the Fernandina Beach Police Department stopped Aaron Bell, a commissioner from Nassau County, for driving through a marked area referred to as a blood zone when turning left onto Sadler Road from 8th Street.
Just drove up and hit the cement parking divider really hard. Hey, I'm Officer Page, Fernandina Beach Police Department Traffic Enforcement. Can you turn your radio down? So the reason I'm stopping you, sir, is when you made your left turn onto Sadler Road from 8th, you drove over the lane that's marked over. You can't drive over that marked area.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I see your license, registration, proof of insurance?
I don't have a license.
You don't have your license?
No, I don't.
Do you have a valid license?
Yes.
You just don't have it with you?
No.
Okay. You understand what I'm talking about? That marked off area
Yes,
right there?
I do, yeah.
It's called a gore.
My wife has told me
Okay.
numerous times.
Really? Okay.
And I've done it.
Okay. Do you have your insurance as well, sir? Proof of insurance for the vehicle? Is that it right there in your hand?
It's not.
Let me see what you have here.
Expired.
Oh, it's expired? Okay.
Officer Page immediately noticed the overpowering scent of alcohol in the car and confronted Bell with a direct question. However, his evasive response seemed to suggest he was hiding something.
Have you been drinking at all today, sir?
No.
Not a thing? Sir. Sir. Have you been drinking at all today?
No.
Not a thing?
No.
Are you diabetic or epileptic?
No.
I'm getting the smell of an alcoholic beverage coming from you. That's the reason I'm asking. Okay? So have you been drinking, yes or no? Sir.
No.
You can't make eye contact with me when you say that? So you're going to be honest?
No.
You're not going to be honest? Okay. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me. Just step back right over here, sir. That's fine. Relax right there.
Bell mentioned his wife, State Attorney's Assistant Sarah Bell, while speaking with Officer Page, hoping it would help him avoid the situation.
Do you have any health or medical issues I need to be concerned of, sir? You're not diabetic, you're not epileptic. Do you take any prescribed medication for anything at all?
Yes, I do.
You do? Okay.
My wife knows you.
Your wife knows me? Who's your wife?
Sarah Bell.
Sarah Bell, the Assistant State Attorney, Sarah Bell? What day is it today?
June 21st.
Okay. Who's the president?
Sadly, Biden.
Okay. Where were you coming from prior to me just stopping you?
Dropping my daughter off at Bible school
Which is where at?
at St. Michael's.
Okay. Give me just a minute. Just hang out right there. You can relax, okay?
Not only Officer Page, but even his colleagues could smell the scent of alcohol on Bell.
You know who this is? This is going to be ASA Sarah Bell's husband. Will you go up to him and see if you smell something? I feel like I'm getting a faint odor off his breath, but I want to make sure. All right, so I'm going to read you your rights because I am conducting a DUI investigation too.
Got it.
I smelled over an alcoholic beverage as well as Deputy Gordon here. So both of us smell it. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You do have the right to speak to an attorney and to have an attorney present during any questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be provided for you at no cost before any questioning begins. If you do answer questions now, you do have the right to stop answering anytime, consult with an attorney. So how much have you had to drink today as far as alcohol goes? Okay, I don't believe you, neither does he.
No.
Okay.
But can you get me home?
No. Why are you different than anybody else that I stop and do a DUI investigation with? Because of who your wife is? Don't work that way, bud. Don't work that way, okay? So you want to tell me how much you've had to drink today or not?
No.
Okay.
Bell was asked to complete a series of sobriety tests, including reading the alphabet, but he struggled to perform them.
On a scale of 0 to 10, with 0 being completely sober and 10 being drunk or intoxicated, what would you rate yourself on that scale right now?
0.
And you said you just dropped your daughter off, right?
Yeah.
So you would feel safe driving with a child in your car?
Obviously.
Obviously. Can you say the alphabet? Would you be willing to do that?
Yes.
Okay. Come over this way. All right, tilt your head back for me. Tilt your head back. Close your eyes. And recite the alphabet A through Z, but do not rhyme it or
A,
sing.
B, C, E, F,
No,
G.
hang on. Do not rhyme it or sing it like the song.
A, B, C, E, F, G, H, I.
Your eyes need to remain closed. Your head needs to be tilted back. Listen, put your feet together, your hands out your sides. Tilt your head back, close your eyes, and recite the alphabet A through Z. Keep your eyes closed and keep your head tilted back, okay?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P.
What's your highest level of education, sir?
MBA.
What?
MBA.
You can't recite the alphabet A through Z. The finger to nose exercise. Are you willing to do that one? That's not, I mean, I'd have to get the instructions, but somewhat like that. Are you willing to participate in that exercise? Okay. So feet together, hands out your sides. Put your hands out your sides, sir. Make fists with both your hands. I'm either going to say left or right. If I say left, I want you to tip your left index finger, come up and touch the tip of your nose. As soon as you touch the tip of your nose, put your hand down, okay? Okay, go ahead and tilt your head back. Close your eyes. Ready? Left. Keep your eyes closed and keep your head tilted back, okay? Left. Right. Right. Left. Okay.
Finally, based on the police observations, including the failed sobriety test results, Bell was arrested for driving under the influence.
But based on what I've seen so far, I do feel like you are DUI and you are going to be placed under arrest for DUI, okay? So place your hands behind your back for me.
From 4 page, 510.
Okay, Mr. Bell, we're just going to come right back here and have a seat in my vehicle, sir. Best thing to do is put your butt in first. Turn your body. Oh, I'll get you situated here, okay? Just scoot you in the best you can. Here, let me go. There we go. Okay, hang on, I'll get the air going for you back here, okay?
Currently, we do not have any new information regarding the case. DUI is an offense under Florida law. The offense is proved by impairment of normal faculties, or unlawful blood alcohol or breath alcohol level of 0.08 or above.
My voice
You're
is
not,
heavy anyway.
you're
My
not
voice
going
is
to
heavy.
scream at me.
My voice is heavy.
Do you understand what I'm telling you? Now you're going to sign this ticket, or I'm going to take you to jail.
There it is.
Your name, your date of birth, and your address.
Sir,
Hey,
I told you I wasn't giving it to you.
While some officers betray their oath and abuse their power, today you'll witness instant karma, delivering a powerful blow. Let's break down the tragic case of Johnny Hallman, a church deacon who lost his life after a routine traffic stop escalated when he refused to sign a citation. On August 10, 2023, Johnny Hallman, a church deacon, was driving home after a Bible study at his daughter's house, bringing dinner for his wife, when he collided with another car while turning onto a busy street. It took the police an entire hour to arrive at the scene.
Get out of the way.
Go ahead. Just checking to see if you have any officers at 20 East Down in Hamilton home.
What happened?
I had the green light and all the traffic up here. I got trying to hit me on the side right here.
Officers at the location, they were trying to.
We have our own turn here.
He hit me right here and he went on down that way with it.
Copy, I think all my
The light was red over here.
I don't think
He wasn't had turn.
maybe zone 4.
Is your car still drivable? Or is the tire messed up back there?
I don't know. I don't even know, officer. And when he hit me right here, he went all the way down that way with. And I said, you want to stop? It's red. Your light red. My light was green.
Officer Kieran Kimbrough tried to get to the bottom of the situation by speaking with another driver.
Come pull your car up right here. Come pull your car up right here.
Sorry, I like this real quick. Can I just kind of explain what happened from my standpoint?
Is this your car?
Yes.
I mean, I know what happened, but you can tell me. I already watched the camera what happened.
Oh, okay. All right, so I'm making a right turn. I even saw him. So as soon as basically essentially all he did was ran right into my car. As a matter of fact, like you see the reason that it skirts all the way, I wasn't even going. I was essentially like driving at 2-3 miles per hour. And I saw the left.
Come on, the car's already fucked up. There you go. Come on. There you go. Turn it right in there.
There's traffic in terms of, like I'm basically essentially just making a right turn. And I saw the car. He wasn't even looking at me. I even tried to blow him out. He just cut way too sharp and just ran right into my car. And passing the shoes.
The accident already happened, so why are we arguing about it? You can go in your car, actually. You can go in your car. You can go in your car. You got your driver's license on you?
Yeah.
You got a license or anything on you? Okay.
We stayed down the street. She got it at the house, but she can get out on my mom.
That's fine.
Oh, okay. I just came up to her.
I got my driver's license.
Okay. You said where?
I got a club.
Which one?
The one on Jonesboro Road.
Which one? What is it called? Rain?
That's on Moreland. Not Moreland, but
Hallman tried to explain to Officer Kieran Kimbrough that he was making a left turn when another car crashed into his pickup truck. Hallman said he did nothing wrong. The situation escalated when Hallman initially refused to sign the citation.
All right. This is the case number. Your car, that tire's messed up, so you're gonna be able to drive it off. So I'm gonna tell you, okay. But this is where your car's gonna go on Jonesboro Road. Yeah, it was him. So. All right, this is case number for you.
thank you.
You know, if you wanna, I don't know, sue or whatever. All right, man. Case number for you. All right, I did find you at fault in the accident.
My fault. I was in the red light. My light was green.
You cut your turn short.
No, I didn't turn. I can't turn no while what it did. He kept coming at me. It wasn't my fault.
Why are you screaming at me?
I'm not screaming. I'm saying it was not my fault. He ran into my truck.
Okay.
You see where he hit me right here.
So I need you to sign this ticket right here on the X. Okay. I'll get my sergeant for it, but you're still going to sign this ticket.
That's
fine. But you're going to sign this ticket right here before I get my sergeant out here. Okay?
A person who is issued a citation as provided in this chapter, or Code Section 17-6-11, relating to display of driver's license in lieu of bail, shall sign the citation to acknowledge receipt of the citation and of his or her obligation to appear for trial. The officer shall advise the person that signing the citation is not an admission of guilt, and that failure to sign will result in the person having to post a cash bond. If the person refuses to sign the citation, it shall constitute reasonable cause to believe that the person will not appear at trial, and the officer may bring the person before a judicial officer or traffic violations bureau to post a bond as is otherwise provided by law. A struggle ensues, and Kimbrough takes Holman to the ground, uses a stun gun on him, and then handcuffs him behind his back, according to the video. Kimbrough requests EMS when he realizes Holman is unresponsive.
You're going to sign this ticket or I'm going to take you to jail. So you got a court date of the 4th of October, 2023 at 8 o'clock, all right? It's not a state of admission or guilt. Just saying that you plan on coming to court or paying the fine beforehand. You can come to court.
I didn't do nothing. Since I didn't do nothing.
I told you once, lower your voice.
My voice is heavy anyway.
You're not going to scream at me.
My voice is heavy.
Do you understand what I'm telling you? Now you're going to sign this ticket or I'm going to take you to jail. I suggest you sign the ticket. Then you can talk to my sergeant or whoever you want to talk to, your priest, your wife, I don't care. But you're going to sign it right here. Here you go. Sir, I'm going to ask you one more time. Sign the ticket.
You're trying to make
Sign
me
the
say I'm guilty
ticket.
of something I'm not guilty of.
Sign the ticket.
That's what you're trying to make me say?
Sign the ticket.
Okay, I'm going to sign.
Sign the ticket. Sign the ticket.
How can I sign the ticket? You got me like
because you're acting crazy.
I'm not doing nothing.
Give me your
I'm right-handed.
All right.
I'm
Sign me another unit. That's on the ground.
I'm trying to sign. What you doing like that? I ain't doing nothing. I ain't doing nothing. I'm an old man.
I'm not right away. Sign the ticket. I'm going to tase you. Put your arms behind your back now. Put your arms behind your back.
My hand making up your back.
Put your
hand making up your back, please. Get it out. Let me get that help. Please, let's
turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I can't breathe.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. I'm going to tell your ass one more time. Put your hands behind your back.
Come on, man. Jesus. Don't change me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Now.
Okay, I can't breathe.
Let go of me. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back now. Let me get my cuffs. Let me get my cuffs.
Oh, dude, this shit is so long. I forgot what it like.
All right, he's got someone with him. Slow him down. Still make it a 5-9 right away. Keep people coming, please. He's with a record driver assisting him.
104 radio. Stormy supervisor for use of force, please.
1191, I copy. Read, man.
Radio, step it up. This guy's bleeding pretty bad.
In Graham v. Connor, the reasonableness of a particular use of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, and its calculus must embody an allowance for the fact that police officers are often forced to make split-second decisions about the amount of force necessary in a particular situation. In the video, Kimbrough tells officers that he struck Holman several times when Holman tried to grab him.
One car for the one way?
2 car. He hit that car up there. I told him sign the ticket.
2 car funny.
Yeah. Hey, wake up. I think he passed out on me. Wake up. I told him sign the ticket. Start doing all I'm not signing the ticket. I'm like, dude, just sign the ticket. It's fine. Told him put his hands behind his back. He started resisting. Took him to the ground and stuff. Then he started grabbing my hand like he was going to hit me. So I punched him a couple times. Just tased him. Then he put him in cuffs. I don't know what's going on with him now. He's still breathing though.
Okay.
Right, we got ETA on emergency services out here. Huh? That's my car.
Fire's already been notified, so they should be out there shortly. I'm getting ETA ready.
Copy.
Kimbrough was fired last month because he did not follow standard operating procedures. The police department said Wednesday that an on-scene supervisor must approve a physical arrest for refusal to sign a citation. After the fatal incident, the police department made several changes, including revising its standard operating procedures regarding traffic citations and allowing officers to write refusal to sign instead of making arrests, according to the mayor's office, which said it instructed the police department to conduct a top-to-bottom review of the incident and its policies. On November 23, 2023, officers reportedly went to the Bryan home to investigate whether the couple, 78-year-old Rand and 74-year-old Vera, were residing in a home police believed to be under foreclosure.
Got a car in the back. 25 is complaint house where this was foreclosed on. That's what, yeah. Hey!
What can I do for you, sir?
So are you guys supposed to be here?
Supposed to be where?
This house.
Our kid just came from the garage.
Under the Fourth Amendment, the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched, and the persons or things to be seized. Upon arrival, they encounter an elderly man who claims the house is his and insists that it is not in foreclosure. The officers inform him that they received a complaint from a neighbor stating that the property was foreclosed and that there should be no one present.
Yeah, is this your residence?
Yeah, that's my house. That's my garage. What are you doing?
We got a complaint that this house was foreclosed on.
No, the house isn't foreclosed on.
You guys mind hanging tight for a second?
Well, I've got to go.
Where you got to go? With that?
What difference does that
It's closed
make
to
where I gotta
occupancy.
go?
So yeah, you guys should not be here.
What do you mean I shouldn't
So
be?
there's a close to occupancy.
I was back in the back.
Yes, it does. It's on the front door. Partner just told me that. Hey! Shut your car off.
No!
We need to get this settled.
No!
As the situation escalates, the officers demand the man's identification, asserting that he is being detained for investigation. The man, who identifies himself as the property owner, becomes agitated and refuses to provide his driver's license, leading to a confrontation.
Sir?
Trespassing.
No, get out of the car. Come on. Come on.
Now, what's with you?
We got a call.
I am leaving. I've got a place to go.
Hey, it doesn't matter. We got this to take care of right now.
Am I under arrest?
No, sir.
Then am I free to go?
No, you are not free to go. What is your name?
I'm free to go.
No, you are not. You are detained right now for investigation. We got a complaint from the neighbor. Said his house has been foreclosed on. No one should be here.
It has
You
not
guys
been.
are here.
It
And
has
there is a no occupancy sign on the door. So
And what makes you think I've been in there?
That's the property. No trespassing.
Yes, that's my sign I put up.
So you're the owner of this property?
I am.
What is your name? You got a driver's license on you.
I do.
Can I get that from you?
I'm not driving.
Ma'am, I need you to stand over there. You need to identify yourself. Ma'am, stand over there. Ma'am, ma'am, ma'am.
And you don't know that. If this was your house, you would want us to investigate, right? If people are hanging around your house, maybe you're some random person. I don't know that.
Maybe I am.
Okay, so we're gonna figure that out.
I will show you my driver's license.
Perfect.
I will not give it to you.
Identify
There it is.
Your name, your date of birth, and your address.
Sir?
Hey.
I told you I wasn't giving it to you.
During the struggle, the elderly man appeared to be in pain, unable to breathe, and very distressed. The 78-year-old man was thrown to the ground by the police. They confiscated the man's driver's license without permission. Later, the police helped him to his feet, and his face was covered in blood.
No, you're not.
Ma'am, this is ridiculous. Stop grabbing.
Hey.
Stop grabbing me right now.
I'm not grabbing you. Oh.
Do not grab me. Let go of me right now. Let go.
Let go of him.
I'm done. You son of a... Oh.
There. Your arm.
Do that.
Well, get him on, Victoria.
Get away
Ma'am.
right now. Get back or you will be arrested.
Get in front of your car. Now!
Hurry up! Good sir. They killed me. I can't breathe. You do something. You get up or something. Help me up.
Roll on your side. I'm gonna get you on your knees and stand you up, all right? 1, 2, 3. Stand up, sir.
Okay, you got my driver's license. You know who I am.
In Graham versus Connor, the reasonableness of a particular use of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, and its calculus must embody an allowance for the fact that police officers are often forced to make split-second decisions about the amount of force necessary in a particular situation. He continually asserted his rights and challenged the authority of the police, insisting that he was on his own property. The encounter continued with the police eventually handcuffing him and issuing a subpoena for interfering with an officer.
May I sit down, please?
What's that? I don't know.
May I sit down?
No.
I'm an old man.
We told you several times to identify yourself. You wanted to fight. We're trying to investigate what's going on.
This is my property. You got my driver's license. You can see who I am. This is my house. You're trespassing on my property. Are you going to give me my driver's license back?
In a second.
All right, that was 1 second.
So, if this house was foreclosed on, you're not supposed to be here.
It's not foreclosed on.
All right.
I pay the taxes on it, and it's not foreclosed.
We are going to cite you with interference with an officer.
I'm not going to accept that.
That's fine. You don't need to sign. We have between 5 and 14 business days. Contact the courts to get it set up, to get it taken care of. No sooner than 5 business days, no later than 14 business days. This is your citation. You don't have to sign.
It's not an admission of guilt.
Yeah, it's not an admission of guilt. It's just saying you'll acknowledge, you'll contact the courts to get it taken care of. Like I said, no sooner than 5 business days, no later than 14.
Would you read that bottom right there for me?
What do you need? Right here?
No, further down.
This citation is not information, will not be used as information without your consent.
I'm
So,
not accepting
like I
it.
said, no sooner than 5 business days, no later than 14 days. If you wait longer than 14 days, a warrant will be issued for your arrest.
I would recommend you guys please leave.
That's what we're trying to do. All right, want to stand up, take the cuffs off, and we'll be out of your hair.
So why did you come here in the first place?
Well, I told you why, Mr.
We told you why
You
we
said
came.
this place is foreclosed, and you know it isn't.
Just get the cuffs.
Yeah. Not going to fight when these come off, are you?
Fight? How the hell am I going to fight? I'm a 78-year-old man.
Your ID and wallet is on your hood, along with your citation.
Well,
take care, Mr. Breen.
take the citation with you.
In the aftermath, the police department implemented mandatory retraining on de-escalation techniques and proper procedures for handling property disputes. Additionally, the officers involved were placed on administrative leave pending the outcome of the investigation. We hope this video has shed light on the serious dangers of corruption within the police force. If you found this information valuable, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our future videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.